Here I'm gonna cut at 35 inches. This is gonna be the back part. And then I'm gonna do another one at 26 inches, which is, they're gonna be the ones in the front. Okay, now I'm gonna cut more pieces of 10 inches. I'm gonna tell you how many you're gonna need. See, every time I make a project, I never make no plans. Most of the time I never make no plans or do some blueprints or nothing. So basically it's just whatever comes to my mind, and that's pretty much it. That's how I like to work. This is what I mean, like when I say I never make no plans, or all I do is just everything that comes to my mind, and that's how I go with my projects. Like most of my projects, see right here, this is gonna be the back part. So probably the seat is gonna be probably like this part right here, and this is just gonna be like a backrest. This is what I mean whenever I say I never make no plans. See, this is how it's gonna be. And I haven't said, but everything's gonna be held together with I'm gonna use pocket holes, and that's it. Pocket holes and glue. Hello everyone, I'm back. Like I said before earlier in the video, I'm gonna join all these pieces together using pocket holes. So let the fun part begin. We'll have a lot of pocket holes to drill. 2 down and 100 more to go. Okay, I'm gonna start now putting these pieces together. I'll see how far I get because I don't have that many screws, so I'm gonna see how far I go. So I just decided to just use 1.5 inch screws, since I'm not gonna I already have most of the project done. So I don't think it's gonna hurt nothing. So. Okay, now here comes the boring part. What is it's called sanding, and I hate it. Well, I think most woodworkers gonna agree with me that not everybody likes the sanding because it just takes a lot of time, but we gotta do it. All right, I'm gonna recycle these two pieces. These are gonna be the pieces that go on the top. Like this is gonna go right here, and that's where you're gonna sit. And actually, I'm saying this that I'm gonna recycle this because this is from palletwood. It's from pallets, so I'm gonna reuse it. This is pure. This is oak, so it's gonna look just fine. Because what I'm thinking about is doing not stain it. I mean, not. I'm thinking about painting just the legs and except for this top piece right here. I think I'm just gonna leave this on either stain it or leave it on natural color. Okay, I'm gonna go with the two-tone for the legs. I'm gonna use this color. It's called espresso. I don't know if you can see it, but this one I'm gonna use it for bottom part. The seating part, it's gonna be, like I said, it's gonna be natural color. Here it is after 2 coats of espresso paint. As you see right here, I end up not using stain, so I end up, because it's a really nice wood, so other I just use like natural wood. Just put the polyurethane here, and that's it. I think it's gonna look awesome, just the two-tone, because this is not my first project I make on a two-tone, and it came out, the other one, it came out really nice. Huge difference. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.